Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how I did this knotted updo. So you make a bun without being able to braid. I did a zigzag parting that was not so easy because my hair was so rebellic, did not want to go into a zigzag. So if you do that, don't give up, just try. And I did first the front and then the back. This does that I do not see a sleek part line. It looks more a bit covered, and I really like the result at the end. One half of the hair I am putting into a low ponytail. Now I'm using water, and then you see the zigzag a bit clearer. There you go. Just by combing the water through, and we're going to start with the left hand side. So split it into two, and the only thing you have to do is you have to be able to tie a knot. Take the two portions, make sure that they're more or less same thick, and now I'm going to turn them inwards, and then I bring one over and the one that I brought over through the hole. Tie the knot. That does not have to be neat. Again, inwards, bringing one over the other. And now I'm bringing the one that was down through the hole, trying to pull everything through. Oops. So my hair is not that long, so when I'm turning it inwards, it makes it easier to tie the knot, and it gives a nice effect. So the one down, go through, and then I'm just taking a clear elastic to tie that off so that it does not unravel, and then I do the same thing on the right hand side. So again, two strands more or less same size, turn inwards, bring one over the other and tie a knot. Pull tight, again turning inwards, cross over, tie a knot, and you see it's up to you how you want to tie the knot. If down goes on from the top over, or the one from up goes around under, the important thing is to do a knot. And with my hair length I can do 3 knots. Then I'm taking the clear elastic again, I'm tying it off. This is what we have now. Now I fold it. That means I fold inwards the ends. And I use bobby pins to hold everything in its position. Again, here I'm twisting it a bit to give more hold and to make it a bit tighter. Again, bobby pins. Pin it in place. You can adjust, loosen it up. If you have ends sticking out, just take bobby pins and hide them. This is the final result. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.